Welcome back to the shop, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see from that last clip, I did not cut my panel in half for a second time. I was careful to measure how deep I was cutting. I believe I went about, about that deep. So, and the panel is now nice and flexy. So I should go around the corner pretty nicely. There was a clip before that showing me pop riveting that panel on, so that part's done. So now it's to the top half, and you can see I left this cut back so that the angle that I buy is that will cover the corners will not hit that. So anyway, good day so far. I haven't ruined anything, so I think I'm going to keep going and see if I can get this panel trimmed. I think I got to trim it at the top edge, I think, to fit up at the corner up there. I think I have to bevel it slightly. And I had another little tiny spot of D-lam right there. So I'm not sure, I don't know how much I have to trim off of that, so I'm going to leave that until I figure out how much I'm trimming off, and then fix it later. If I even fix it, I may just glue it on. So anyway, that's what's going on right now. All right, guys and gals, check it out. The front is glued on. Let's look on the inside. Sweet. So that took almost 2 tubes of adhesive to do that. So I'm expecting the roof is probably going to take 2 to 3 probably to do the roof. Anyway, front is on. Crisis averted with the hack job I did on the front panel. I think that this trim will be okay. It sticks out slightly on the top right here. As you can see, there's a little bit of a gap, but I am not worried about that. I'll just squirt that full of adhesive and you'll never be able to tell. And I've got of course, if you remember, I've got a Raptor liner that's going to cover the bottom part of that. And then on the top, right up in that area, there's going to be a big logo sticker that's like 3 feet in diameter or something. So it's going to have a lot of stuff to break up this front. So I don't think it's even a concern. So anyway, pretty happy with today's progress. I'm absolutely covered in fiberglass and foam dust, so I'm going to go shower up. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.